Hey guys, it's Wendy here with Wendy's Plans, and today I am going to be setting up my Hobonichi weeks for the week of March 10th through the 16th. So guys, we're just going to jump in here, get started. I don't know where my clamp is that I've been using because guys, I still haven't finished unpacking. So yeah, that's just the way it is. I I'm struggling because there's just been a lot of things going on, and I just haven't had a chance. For one, I don't have anywhere to put all of my stationery products, my planner, my journal, supplies, and so it's been a struggle to unpack them. And I just honestly have struggled with even having any motivation because of all the things that have been going on. And I'm getting better. I am forcing myself to do the things that I need to do. And I have been busy. It's not that I haven't been busy because I have been getting a few things into the apartment. I I have been filming those. I would try to leave those up above. I am editing the videos by rooms. So that way, it's just for me, it just makes more sense to complete one room with you guys and video that way than it does to do a little bit in this room, a little bit in that room, and that kind of thing. So that has been my plan. That's the way I'm doing it. And it just, I'm hoping it's going to make things easier for me, definitely. And the on the go me, who has got a lot of lists to go through and things to buy, that's what this whole page is going to be this week. Um, I am going to put down my meal planning because that has really been a lifesaver this week. Not that I wrote it down here in my planner, but I had a plan made out, is what I'm trying to say. And there we go. Now, the rest of this is going to be, this one is going to be a needs list. This one is going to be a want list. There is a difference in my mind. And this one is going to be packages coming in and where they're coming in from, so I can kind of keep up with that. And when I said this was going to be a list, it's going to be a list. So I think up here, I hope I'm to the point where I'm not needing as much. There are some things that I do need. Like, guys, I desperately need to find a nightstand. I think I'm going to put 2 rows. I don't think I'm going to need 2 rows. I really, truly don't. I hope I don't. But we're going to put them. And I think my wants are kind of curtailed a little bit. Not so much that I don't want anything. That's not it. Because some of the wants were really a need. So there you go. And then my packages, I'll just write those in. Monday, the thing that I need to remember the most, I need to remember to print out my tax documents because, guys, I got to get my taxes done on Tuesday. Let me get my water down here. If I don't get back to drinking my water, I had gotten really good, and then I kind of eased up on it, and now I'm telling you, since I've been in this apartment, I have had no water. And yeah, I mean drinking stuff, but have drank too much lemonade. There we go. So I need to print out my tax documents, and I need to put the trash out and water my plants. That's all I'm going to put in this one. And then on Tuesday, I need to do groceries. And I have an appointment. And I want to check mail. And I won't check mail in here because when I'm driving back into the community, it'll be a reminder for me to do that. On Wednesday, the only thing I want to put down in here is put trash out. On Thursday, this is going to be my Wendy's plans day this week. And I also want to put trash out. Nope. What are the plans? I knew it was something. On Friday, I am just going to water the plants. That's the day I want to water my plants. And then I am going to put this one down because I want to finish editing and uploading any of my videos, and I may work at a coffee shop on Friday. Saturday, I want to go to my favorite plant store, and I want to hit some of the consignment stores, and I need to water my plants. And Sunday is just going to be a chill day. So that's all it's going to be. Now, let's get our okay. So over here, let's see. I am going to put this as a to buy. This is going to be, I'm looking to see if I have like wish list or something. Why did I pull that off? Because I don't have a date night. Let's see. I don't see anything that I could put here. I'm just going to write that in, and then I'm going to put packages coming in. I don't know what else I'm going to be able to put there. Wednesday, well, I'm going to have to come to my big trash days, I think, because I am putting trash out multiple times this week. So it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then and I've already got an appointment. And I'm watering my plants 1, 2, 3. Probably will not have to water them that many times. But it is checking them and getting into the routine. Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Because I haven't had plants to water in so long. And I'm going to put on Friday work at, and I will put whether I work at home or if I work at a coffee shop, wherever I do that. Okay, I think that's all that I have. So the other things I'm going to write print. Oops, wrong pen. Okay, this is going to be my meals. I do know I have a meal. Ooh, I don't remember the other ones that I've been. Ooh, let's do tidy up. That's a good one. Alrighty, guys, that is going to be my week this week, and hopefully I'll maintain it. We'll see. I have just been kind of off my game for the last couple weeks with so much stuff going on, and so I'm hoping to be back into just using my planner and figuring things out and keeping up with all the things that I need to keep up with. So, guys, throw me a flower down below and tell me if you have some of those weeks where you just don't want to use your planner, and just let me know about them. And until next time, guys, bye bye.